Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve another very popular and recent SQL coding question. 3421 finds students who improved. So this is a medium complexity SQL coding problem, quite recent on the Leetcode. So we are going to look into this problem details today. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. Your subscription is really valuable and important for our channel. It really helps and supports this channel. So let's start with the problem statement. So scores table is given to us. It has 4 columns in it, right? So student ID is int, subject is varchar, score is int and exam date is varchar. Student ID, subject and exam date is the primary key for this table. So there are 3 fields which is kind of they are composite key as a primary key. Each row contains information about student score in a specific subject on particular exam date. Score is between 0 to 100 inclusive. Write a solution to find students who have shown improvement. A student is considered to have shown improvement if they meet both of these conditions. Have taken the exams in the same subject at least 2 different dates and their latest score in that subject is higher than their first score, right? Then they made an improvement basically in that subject. Okay. Return the result table order by student ID, comma subject in ascending order. So they have given us an example. So let us take an example so that it will be more clear for you guys. So here you will see that student 101, he took math on 1st of January, 15th of January, and again he took math exam on 15th of February. So now you can see that his score is improved, right? He scored 70 before and now he scored 85. So it means that that record we want to capture because he has made an improvement in that subject, right? So we have captured that record here, 101 math 70 and 85, right? Now for the 102 student, this student, now in the physics, he took the exam but he did not make any improvement. Actually, his score decreased from 65 to 60. So this is not an improvement, right? Okay, so we will not include that. For 102 student in the math, he scored 80 before and now he scored 85 on the 15th of February, which means that he has made an improvement of 5 marks. So you will include that in the as a second row here, right? We have to also tell what is the first score and what is the latest score so that you will know what is the improvement, right? And for 104 student in the physics, again he made an improvement from 75 to 85 because he scored improved. So you will write 105 physics, 75 and 85. So this is what the problem statement says. So I hope you understood what they are asking us clearly with this example. So how can we write down the SQL query? So we'll write a MySQL query here. So the important function we'll use here is the windowing function first value, right? So first value function we will use. So if you don't know, it's a window function. It allows us to select first row of window frame, partition or result set. So you can select the first row of window frame, partition or result set by using first value function. So how can we use that here? So I'll show you directly the query so it will be clear for you. So we are going to write a common table expression CTE here. So we'll call it a student score CTE, right? So with student score CTE as select s dot subject ID comma s dot subject, because we want student ID and subject, right? So after that we want the first score, right? So how you will use that? The first value of the score over partition by student ID comma subject order by exam date, right? So this is, we are using a partition basically here, and then you will select this column as a first score because that's what we want to name it, right? You can see here on the left side, first score is what we want to name it in the output. And you will also have to find the latest score. So first value score over partition by student ID comma subject order by exam date descending as latest score. So here the important difference is, here exam date is ascending and here exam date is descending, correct? That is the important difference. Why? Because we want to, why it is descending? Because we want to find out the latest score, correct? That's why it is descending, and we will call it as a latest underscore score, right? From scores S, this we will be selecting from scores table S, right? Okay, so this is the common table expression that we have created first. Now we will use this common table expression in our main query. So this is how you can write down our main query. Select star from student score CTE, group by student ID comma subject, having first score should be less than latest score, correct? So we are going to group it these records based on the student ID comma subject. You can see here student ID and subject. These two fields we want to group the records by, but the important condition is that having first score should be less than latest score. First score is coming from here and latest score is coming from here, right? So this way we can identify the students who have made improvement in their scores, right? Students who have shown improvement in their scores, right? So you understood this, I hope. So what we have used here, important thing to note is that we have used the first value windowing function, where we can use it in partitions and result set also, right? So here we have created a partition. Partition we have created based on two fields, student ID and subject, and then we are going to uh, order these fields or order these rows by exam date in ascending order, so that you get the first score, right, for that exam, because you want first score here, and here you want the last score, means latest score basically, right? This is the latest score. So you will have to do partition by student ID comma subject, order by exam ID exam date in descending order, right? Okay, so I hope you understood this. Let us run this SQL query and make sure this query compiles and works. So you can see that we are getting correct answers here. So expected and our answers are correctly matching. You can see that we are getting first score and latest score correctly, right? So we'll submit this SQL query now to the Leetcode. Make sure the query gets accepted by the Leetcode. And as you can see, the query is successfully accepted by the Leetcode. It is 48.07% faster than other submissions. So this is the way you can solve this problem. 3421 finds students who improved by using the first value function of MySQL, which is a windowing function, and we have used it along with partition, as you can see here. And we also use the common table expression. Writing common table expression is a good idea to solve these kind of problems as well as in your real-time projects, because it made the code readable, and it also modularize the code and make your code reusable also. So you can reuse this common table expression in anywhere basically in your MySQL, right? So that's why it's important to understand the use of common table expression. That I hope you understood it today. So if this video helped you understand this problem and this SQL query, then please give it a thumbs up to this video, give it a like to this video, subscribe to this channel. Your subscription is really important for our channel. It really helps and supports this channel. It takes lots of efforts, guys, to create these videos, lots of creativity, as well as we have to spend time to find out solutions. So if you really want to appreciate our efforts, then try to be generous, give it a like to the video if this video helped you, and also subscribe to our channel and click on the bell notification icon button right away, so you won't miss any interesting upcoming such videos where we explain different varieties of problems and how to solve them. That includes MySQL questions related to Java, J2E, as well as telephonic questions asked in the interviews. So do check out our playlist. The important playlist we will recommend for you if you are planning to take any interviews or you want to learn computer science concepts are graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, problems solved using binary search, dynamic programming, recursion, memoization, uses of BFS and DFS on graphs, matrices and trees. So go through those playlists. There are a lot of important data structures related playlists as well on this channel for you, that includes stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap and max heap. So you will definitely enjoy those problems and those videos, and you will also learn a lot from them as well, and they will give you a good preparation for your interview rounds. Share these videos with your friends. They can also benefit by watching these videos if they are planning to take any interview rounds. Keep learning, keep coding, and keep solving more varieties of coding problems. And thanks for watching this video, and have a great day ahead.